Hello and welcome. Today we will consider the topic of poisonous words that unconscious mothers say to their children. The mother-child relationship is vital for the emotional and psychological development of the child. However, some mothers may act unconsciously towards their children and use hurtful words. The poisonous words of unconscious mothers can negatively affect children's self-esteem, and emotional health. Such words can shake children's faith in themselves and affect their future relationships. Children may feel unloved and worthless by their mother. You can never be successful. This sentence can cause the child to grow up with a sense of failure and undermine his confidence in his own abilities. When will you find out? It's hard to tell you things. This sentence can negatively affect the child's learning process and negatively affect communication skills. If I don't love you, no one will. This sentence lowers the child's self-confidence and may cause trust issues in their future relationships. The poisonous words of unconscious mothers can negatively affect children's emotional health and self-worth. When children grow up with criticism and rejection instead of love and acceptance, they feel worthless. This can lead to problems such as depression, anxiety, and low self-esteem. It is important for parents to take some steps to establish a healthy relationship with their children. Here are some suggested solutions. Empathy: try to understand your child's feelings and take them into account. Loving communication: communicate with your child in a loving and understanding way. Boost their confidence by giving positive feedback and supporting them. Set an example for your child with your own behavior. Appreciate positive behavior and offer constructive criticism. Support your child's interests and help him develop his talents. Professional help: if you think your child has been seriously affected by the effects of these words, consider contacting a professional. The poisonous words of unconscious mothers can negatively affect the emotional health and development of children. Therefore, it is important that parents establish a loving, supportive, and understanding relationship with their children. In order for our children to grow up healthily, we must encourage them, love them, and make them feel valued. The topic covered in this video is a general discussion and may not apply to all mothers. Every family is different and every mother parent in different ways. Remember that the purpose of this video is to raise awareness and address a behavior that has negative effects.